Hello, little learners. Today we are going to start with chapter 9, Healthcare Facilities. So, in this chapter, we will study about some important instruments, surgery, wonder machines, preventing disease, vaccination, asbestos, population explosion, basic healthcare. So, let's study with the chapter now. So, people always try to improve their living condition to stay healthy. Health and longevity are very important for human being. Today, man is living longer and healthier as never before. So, he has adopted what? New methods of treatment and sophisticated machines. So, in this lesson, we will study about some common medical instrument and some useful medicines. So, some important instrument like thermometer. It is used to measure temperature, and we have several types of thermometer. Clinical thermometer, which is used to measure the temperature of the body. It measures the temperature in degree Fahrenheit and Celsius. नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर कितना होता है 98.6 फ़ारेनहाइट और 37 डिग्री Celsius. Whenever there is an infection in our body, the temperature of the body increases. And what we call it? Fever. So what we call it? Fever over there. Right? So earlier, the intensity of fever was judged either by touching the body or by feeling the pulse. Today, we can accurately measure the temperature with the help of thermometer. To measure the intensity of fever, the thermometer is kept in the mouth under the armpit of the patient. Clinical thermometer. It is also called Doppler thermometer, which was developed by Gabriel Dennet-Sernine, and a thermometer is called glass tube filled with a bulb having mercury at one end. So when we have fever, the mercury rises in the tube and we can read the temperature on the scale, which is marked on the thermometer. So the scale ranges from 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110. Some thermometers are marked in both the degrees Fahrenheit as well as in Celsius. Then we have microscope, an instrument that magnifies very small objects so that they can be clearly seen. There is an interesting story behind the invention of microscope. What are lenses? They are known to us about 400 years ago. They are used to make spectacles. In some spectacles बनाते हैं. To correct way eyesight, one day the owner of the spectacle shop in a town in Holland happened to look at a fly through a two lens kept one behind the other. The fly looked as big as lamb, and then what they did, they prepared a toy called flea glass. Soon the toy became very popular all over Europe, and when Galileo, an Italian scientist, has heard about the flea glass, he made a device called microscope. Gradually more and more powerful microscope were made. Today doctors and biologists, अगर हम बात करें कुछ doctors की, कुछ biologists की, what they use microscope to examine several kinds of tiny germs that cannot be seen with naked eyes. Powerful microscope enables doctor and scientists to identify disease and their causes. This make easier to find methods of curing these disease. Stethoscope is used to hear the heartbeat and sound of the lungs. The instrument was invented by French physician Dr. René Laennec. The story of this invention was very interesting. Once Dr. René Laennec noticed that two children were whispering through the ends of the long hollow log of wood. The boys hold them and they could hear even fastest sound through the log. The doctor came back to his clinic. He rolled a newspaper. वो क्या करता है? Newspaper को rolled करता है and kept in one end of the patient's chest, and he could now clearly hear the patient heart. He could also hear the sound produced by air in the lungs. This observation led to what? Development of stethoscope, and today's this instrument is used by every doctor in the world. Next is X-ray. This was discovered by William Conrad Roentgen in 1986, and he uses X-ray to locate fractures in the body. X-rays, we have sophisticated machine like CT scan, ultrasound, MRI, and these machines helps the doctor to get a complete picture of the organ of the body. Now ECG, that is electrocardiograph machine, and EEG, that is electroencephalography, and are used to monitor heartbeat and brain respectively. एक किसके लिए होता है? ब्रेन के लिए और एक हार्ट के लिए होता है. ECG ब्रेन के लिए होता है, EEG आपका ब्रेन के लिए होता है. Now surgery. It is the branch of medicine that deals with treatment of disease or injuries or deformities by operation. जब हम operations करते हैं, और कौन perform करता है operation? Surgeons. And what are surgeons? These are specially trained to perform complicated cases. Surgery needs a variety of instruments and medicines in India, known for surgery in ancient times. Now new techniques have been developed to operate upon some of the most complex organ body like brain, heart, lung, kidney. The surgeons remove or replace damaged organ. Surgeon क्या करता है कि जो आपका damaged organ है उसको replace करते हैं, right, through the major operations. Then we have wonder medicines. As you know that earlier people did not know about the cause of disease and their treatment. They consulted with a doctor and magician to treat their ailments because they believed that evil spirit caused them. As the knowledge about the human body increased, people came to know that cause of several disease and medicine. So, cure. They discovered several new medicine like quinine for his discovered, which occurs cures malaria. Penicillin antibiotic है जो किसने discovered करी Alexander Fleming in 1928. एंटीबायोटिक है सेप्ट्रोमाइसिन जिसको हम किससे यूज करते हैं कंट्रोल ट्यूबरक्लोसिस दैट इज अ फेटल डिजीज वी कैन नॉट इमेजिन सर्जन टुडे विदाउट एनेस्थीसिया राइट सर्जरी अब बिना एनेस्थीसिया के नहीं कर सकते क्लोरोफोरम was the first medicine to be effectively used in anesthesia. James Simpson introduced the use of chloro in medicine. When a person inhales क्लोरोफोरम वो अनकॉन्शियस हो जाता है एंड ही डज नॉट फील पेन उसको कोई पेन फील नहीं होता देन वी हैव प्रिवेंशन इट इज सेड दैट प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर नंबर ऑफ लाइव्स आर बीइंग सेव्ड बाय टॉकिंग प्रिवेंशन smallpox was dreaded disease that killed thousands of people and blinded millions during the 18th century the deadly disease swept across the continent of Asia Europe and Africa 1976 जो एडवर्ड जेनर है एन इंग्लिश डॉक्टर डिस्कवर्ड द वैक्सीन टू प्रिवेंट स्मॉल द स्टोरी ऑफ डिस्कवरी ऑफ वैक्सीन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वन डे अ मिल्कमेड टोल्ड दैट शी वुड never get smallpox as she already has a cowpox. Cowpox is a disease in human being that we get from cattle. It is a milder than smallpox. So the Dr. Jenner he concluded cowpox protect people against smallpox. He thought that the protection could be transferred from one person to another. So what he did? So he inculcated an 8-year boy with a cowpox obtained from a milkmaid. As accepted, the boy suffered from cowpox and 8 weeks later he incubated boy with smallpox. The boy did not get smallpox and Jennifer found a wonderful protection against smallpox. The vaccine that had to remove smallpox from the world. The practice of vaccination became widespread. Later what happened? जो वैक्सीनेशन था वो आपकी कुछ डेडली डिजीज जैसे आपकी ट्यूबरक्लोसिस हो गई टेटनस हो गया पोलियो हो गया इसमें भी डेवलप करी गई राइट देन नेक्स्ट कम लुइस पास्टर फ्रेंच साइंटिस्ट हु वर्कड ऑन द वैक्सीन ही बिलीव दैट द डिजीज इन इट्स ओन प्रिवेंशन राइट सो व्हाट हैपेंड ही रिसर्च टू फाइंड द कॉजेस he was above to identify various germs that cause disease and he discovered that germs could be killed by heat कि हम इन जर्म्स को किससे किल कर सकते हैं हीट्स नाउ वी हैव एस्पेसिस about 150 years ago one caused by injuries or operations often got infected with germs this caused aspergillosis which result in the death Joseph Lister an English surgeon working on Pasteur finding device system he used a carbolic sprays in operations so what happened he used a sterilization of hospital instrument जैसे नीडल्स हो गया नाइव्स हो गए कोई भी सर्जिकल इक्विपमेंट्स हो गए इनको ये क्या करते थे स्टरलाइज करते थे राइट सो डिसइंफेक्टेशन लाइक डीडीटी आर स्प्रेड ऑन हिज हॉस्पिटल्स होम इवन इन द स्ट्रीट्स जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो जर्म्स को किल कर सकते हो नेक्स्ट इज पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन as you all know that population of India is now about 140 crore. It increases at the rapid rate. Better healthcare, medical facilities even gives us what? Healthier and longer lives. But the birth rate has not fallen. So what happened? This was resulted in an rapid increase in population and this is called population explosion. That has caused due to shortage of food, water, hygiene, employment. This is also caused by deterioration in the standard of living of masses. So if we want to live happily, the increase in population must be checked and people must have a small family. And what they should adopt? They should adopt various family planning measures. Right? Next is basic healthcare. Let's study about some basic healthcare, air, water, food. These all are basic needs. But all these are polluted and infected with germs. We are infected with several diseases through this media. So we should keep our surrounding clean. We should drink clean and filtered water. We should not walk barefoot, right? As germs can enter body, we should wash our hands before and after meal. And we should eat clean and healthy and nutritious food. आपको clean, healthy और nutritious food को करना है each, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.